Do you want to make 10% more money in your rental business without doing any extra work whatsoever? If that's the case, then this video is for you. So my name's Justin. I teach tips and tricks of the party rental industry. I want pretty much party rental owners to grow their business. So before I explain how you make 10% more out of everything that you do, I need to explain a couple things first, okay? Every time something gets dirty, like your bounce house, if it comes back dirty with some like candy wrappers and stuff like that, you don't charge the customer $25 because that customer could have ordered a bounce house 2 more times that year and then maybe 5 more times the next year and then got you in her church function or something like that. You don't want to burn customers that easily just to try and make $25 because you have to clean. Believe me, you're cleaning these bounce houses either way. You're going to be cleaning some of this stuff either way. Same thing with chairs. I tell people I'm going to charge them, I think it's 50 cents per chair if they're not stacked when I come back. I don't ever charge that because if I do, nobody's ever going to want to rent from me again. But if I go to a bounce house that's completely covered in mud, you charge them a fee. That's a different story. Real quick, please like and subscribe if you like the tips and tricks I'm giving. It really helps the algorithm. Another thing that happens is damage happens. Like wear and tear on this equipment is normal in pretty much this industry. So now, if you have a bounce house where the seam rips because you've had it for 5 or 6 years and you've been renting it to pay-for-play events for 20 hours on a weekend or something like that, yeah, it's going to have some use to it and you might have a little bit of damage to it. But the customer's not going to be, you're not going to charge the customer for that. You can get money for all those damages and for all the little stuff and all the cleaning you've done for a year by charging a damage waiver. So now the damage waiver doesn't mean the customer can go ahead and cake your bounce house full of mud, or can go ahead and slice your tent, or can go ahead and drill a hole through one of your tables. That's not what the damage waiver for. That's intentional damage. It doesn't prevent that. What it is for accidental damage and for wear and tear. And the customer opts in to pay 10% of the whole rental just to not have to deal with any of those headaches that you shouldn't be charging them in the first place if you're trying to make some profit in the rental game. I only charge for extreme circumstances. You're in the bounce house game, you're going to be cleaning bounce houses. If you're in the chair game, most of the time they're not going to be stacking the chairs. There's times to charge a customer, and there's times that you don't charge the customer. But a damage waiver fee can give you enough money to make, like literally, if you make $100K a year and you get 10% of that extra, it's $110K with no extra work. All it is an opt-in on your website. I got a little bonus tip for you. If you go on your website, like I have ERS, but I'm sure you can do this with anything, when they sign their agreement, I have it automatically checked to yes, they want the damage waiver. So it automatically charges them 10% more unless they unclick no. If you do it over the phone, you have to ask them that, and it's an upsell. But if you do it automatic on the website, some people don't even think about it. They don't uncheck it. They just see the price and go with it. So that can increase your chances of people opting in on your damage waiver. Like and subscribe, everybody. Catch you on the next one. And remember to be safe. And check out one of these videos. Be safe, everybody.